Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2024 Chevrolet Trax RS model. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, inside and out, really nice shape. It's got about 23,000 miles on the clock, I believe. Really nice shape. RS package. Rear parking sensors on this one. Looks really nice. All right, let's take a look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in beautiful condition, looks amazing. Very nice shape. Let's take a close look here. Very nice condition, look at that. Beautiful shape on the lights. Lower lights in beautiful shape. Grill's in beautiful condition. Headlamp on the driver's side also in beautiful shape. Lower lights in beautiful shape also. Lower bumper's in beautiful condition, look at that. Very nice. Bow tie emblems on this one, the black ones. RS symbol there. Hood's in beautiful condition, looks super clean. Really nice shape. Very nice condition overall. All right, take a look at the front fender. Front fender on the driver's side in beautiful condition. Driver door also in beautiful shape, clean throughout, no marks on it, looks super clean. Rear door on the driver's side also in beautiful condition, clean throughout, looks amazing. Quarter panel here on the driver's side, amazing condition, looks super clean. Take a look at the rear hatch. Rear hatch is in beautiful condition, super clean, very nice condition. Rear bumper, RS package, rear parking sensors. It's got that glossy black on the bottom. Beautiful condition, looks amazing. All right, let's take a look at the quarter panel here on the passenger side. Beautiful shape on this side, looks really nice, clean throughout. Taking a look at the rear door on the passenger side, also in beautiful condition, clean throughout, no marks or scratches on it. Taking a look at the front door on the passenger side, looks amazing, clean throughout, amazing condition. Front fender on the passenger side, beautiful condition, looks clean throughout, really amazing shape. Windshield's in beautiful condition. Don't see any marks or cracks on it, beautiful shape. Roof is in really nice condition. Giving it a quick walk around here. Really nice. Windshield on this side looks good. Don't see any marks or anything on it. Super clean throughout, very nice condition. All right, that concludes our walk around on this one. Really in beautiful shape. 2024, it's got about 20,000 miles on the clock. Beautiful condition inside and out. Coming up next, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the interior, and then we'll take it for a quick test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Driver door panel's in beautiful shape, looks amazing. Look at that, very nice condition. Controls for the power windows, power mirrors, very nice shape. Power locks, beautiful condition. Take a look at the driver's seat. Driver's seat's in amazing condition, look at that. Beautiful two-tone, manual seat, full set of floor mats, dashboard, steering wheel looks amazing. Really nice condition, super sharp. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side front door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, looks clean throughout. Really nice shape. Really nice condition overall. Take a look at the passenger seat in the front, beautiful shape. Looks amazing, super clean throughout. Full set of floor mats, dashboard, steering wheel looks amazing. Really outstanding shape all the way through. Looks beautiful. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver's side rear door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, super clean throughout, looks amazing. All right, let's take a look at the rear seat here. Beautiful shape, clean throughout, very nice condition. Full set of floor mats, really in great shape. Look at that, amazing condition. All right, we're taking a look at the rear door panel here. Rear door panel on the passenger side, beautiful condition, looks clean throughout, very nice shape. All right, let's take a look at the rear seat. Rear seat's in beautiful condition, look at that, clean throughout, very nice condition. Two-tone, looks really sharp. Back of the seats are in great shape. Beautiful condition throughout, looks amazing. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2024 Chevrolet Trax RS package. All right, lock unlock, remote start, and panic, beautiful. All right, so this key, we're gonna insert it here. I'm gonna look at this and start it right up. There we go, starts up perfect, amazing, look at that. Beautiful display, all the clusters working perfect, the gauges go up and down, really nice. Let's take a close look here. All right, this one has 27,775 miles. We're facing north right now. We're in park. It's an RS model. Shows you RPMs, fuel gauge, temperature gauge, and miles per hour. That's so nice. All right, so it's got a beautiful display here in the center. Look at that in a moment. Let's take a look at some of the features on this one. Turning signals working perfect. Highlights working perfect also. Very nice. Cruise control on this side. There's the collision detection in the front. You can adjust the settings on it. Super nice. Heated steering wheel if you need that. That's really nice to use. It's got the volume controls, the favorites here for the radio. Super nice. Front and rear wipers. The turning signal controls and the highlights. Automatic lights. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Very nice. Dashboard looks amazing. Brand new condition. Really nice shape. Really an amazing condition. Leather wrap steering wheel on this one with the perforated on it. Looks super sharp. Flat bottom steering wheel. Super sporty. Looks amazing. Beautiful condition. Up above here we have our OnStar. We have our light up there. That's super nice. In the center we have our controls for AC. This one has heated seats on the driver and passenger in the front. Nice feature there. Hazard lights. Control for the AC is manual. Down below here you got your USBs, your power plug there, a little bit of storage there. Automatic transmission, RS package, a little symbol there. Parking brake release, cup holders, a little bit of storage in here. Looks amazing. Glove box has the owner's manual right there. Very nice. Beautifully equipped. Really outstanding condition. Can't get any better than this. 27,775 miles. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. But before that, let's go ahead and take a look at the radio information. We almost skipped that information. So right now, this is the home page there. It shows you the radio station you're on. You go to audio settings here. You can set up whatever you like. AM, FM, XM radio, or Bluetooth. Go back again. Phone settings. If you're going to pair a phone, you pair it through there. You can see it afterwards. Wi-Fi settings. Super nice. Settings on the system. That's where you can set up your language, time, your phones, Wi-Fi hotspot, all that good stuff there. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Click here. Let's do the collision detection really quick. Front pedestrian collision system, alert and brake. Front pedestrian system detection, alert and brake. Lane change alert. Parking assist. Rear parking camera symbols. Rear parking assist with symbols, and rear cross traffic. A lot of safety features on this one. Okay, you have your OnStar, Apple CarPlay here, your OnStar services, and then you can go back to this page here. Here on the right side, it'll show up your phone if it's paired. This is the radio station that's on right now. All right, guys, well, that's pretty much it. All set to go on this one. Stay tuned, we're gonna take it for a test drive, so we'll be right back. And then after that, we'll take a look at the tires, the cargo area in the back, and under the hood. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set. Take it for a little test drive. Here we go. Good acceleration, super quick. Really nice. Drives amazing. Look at that. 48 miles per hour. Look at that, how quick it is. Really nice drive. Okay, let's coming up on a stop sign here. Here we go. Stops perfect. Really nice. All right, let's go ahead and accelerate again. Here we go. super quick. Look at that. Turns on a dime. Super nice drive. Next step is we're going to go ahead and test out the backup camera, and then we'll conclude our test drive. Okay, what a great drive. Here we go. We're going to pick a spot here and we'll back up. Put it in reverse. Here we go. Look at that. Beautiful screen. When you turn the steering wheel, it shows you which way you're going to roll back. Super nice. Look at that. And we're going to park. Perfect. Now this one has backup sensors, which is great. Right here on the cluster, it shows you what you're going to hit. So it shows here we're going to go directly back. So you see those bushes back there? So that's what it's picking up right there in the center. See that? So it beeps, and then it shows you here on the cluster when you're backing up what you're going to hit. On the main screen here, it gives you a little triangle and it flashes, letting you know you're getting close to something. All right, that's pretty much our test drive. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the engine, tires, and storage area in the back. We'll be right back. Here we go. We're taking a look at the cargo area in the back. Cargo area is clean and in good shape. Very nice. It's got a little light right there. Down below here, spare tire with all the tools. Really nice condition. Super clean throughout. Very nice shape. All right, we're taking a look under the hood. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful shape. Looks really nice throughout. Really amazing condition. Look at that. Beautiful condition throughout. Take a look at the bottom of the hood. Very nice shape, clean throughout, all original. Take a look here, emission sticker on there. Really nice shape. All right, we're taking a look at the front driver's side tire. Tire's in amazing condition, good amount of tread on there. Rim is clean and outstanding shape, looks beautiful, very nice condition. All right, we're taking a look at the rear tire here on the driver's side. Tire's in beautiful condition. Look at the tire tread on there, looks amazing. Rim is clean and outstanding shape. Beautiful condition throughout. Looks really nice. All right, we're taking a look at the rear tire here on the passenger side. Tire's in amazing condition. Rim is clean and in super nice condition. Look at that. Very nice shape. All right, we're taking a look at the front tire here. Front tire on the passenger side. Tire's in amazing condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Looks really nice. Outstanding shape. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video on this 2024 Chevrolet Trax RS model. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. Really nice shape. You guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. Great used auto sales.com. Thanks for watching.